In tonight's episode of Pimp My Ride, we got the truck house overflowing into the yard. We got the Honda over here with probably 100 grand under the hood if I had to guess. And then we got the Pimp My Ride set in the early 2000s mood here, watching some YouTube action, some rock crawling. About to put this back glass in, so I need to take this panel off, roll this window up a little bit, take the bracket off, swap the bracket onto this glass, get it in here, and he's replacing some like trans or motor mounts that are super loose on his new daily driver. That's my buddy Mike that is stationed in Alaska that's visiting right now for a school, so we're going to get some stuff done tonight. All right, so I just took that and turned it into that. So I'm gonna do that 3 more times. And then when we put it on the new piece of glass, we'll use that hardware and we'll have this thing replaced. The reason I'm doing this is because this factory one is scratched on the outside from off-roading, sand, mud. It's all scratched up. I just changed out the belt and started using the shop vac while I do it. Because it was making such a mess. So a little bit cleaner. Still gonna have a lot of metal shavings to clean up though, but we'll get it done. Got the old glass out. Y'all can see I left the brackets behind, and then we have these reusable plastic pieces here. I'm gonna use the new hardware I got, try to feed the new glass in and attach it like I just did the other one, and then make sure everything's tight and good to go. Y'all can see here's the old glass. Now the scratches I'm talking about are mainly on this side right here. Pretty gnarly scratches, so time to retire this one. Also, this one was heated, which has those lines in it. I never used the heated back glass. The new one I got is not heated, so let's get it in, see how it looks. One thing to mention, aside from you can see the old green factory color here versus the Kodiak brown that I'm scratching up on the tailgate, but this felt strip here is why these get scratched. So these hold sand and dirt and everything, and we'll start to scratch it up. I did replace this recently, but I'm still going to clean this very thoroughly to try to keep my new glass from getting scratched. So it's a good idea to replace this. I've done it pretty recently. It's pretty new, but I'm going to shop vac it and brush it and try to get that as clean as possible so it doesn't happen again. And then be aware of that when I'm driving on the beach. Make sure I clean the back glass off before I roll it down if I can help it. This old International Scout's pretty sweet that popped up as YouTube started going down its own rabbit hole of full-size invasion to some international page. But I got this cleaned up a little bit now. Feeling better about that. And I'm going to slide the new glass in now. Got the new glass installed now. So bracket is fully installed. Just need to do a little test run on it, see how it's looking, and then put that panel on. Also, when the movie ended, or excuse me, the video ended, a movie started playing, and it's dang Smokey and the Bandit on YouTube. I don't know what happened. It just started playing it. It says free with ads, so pretty hyped about that. We're going to finish this up and then help out with these motor mounts and watch Smokey and the Bandit. Got the new glass in. Let's roll it up, see how it looks. All right, so it was kind of peeling before and super scratched up, and now we got nice 5% tint, flawless glass. My tint job is not professional, but I don't have any gaps around the edges, and I think it'll be all right. Need to clean it up a little bit more. Still got some kind of specks on it from getting it dirty, being over here while I was sanding and everything, but I'm gonna clean it up before it gets scratched. Feeling good about it though. Got her all cleaned up back here. I got all the tools put away for the most part, and gonna switch to helping Mike out with his project. So chipping away at this thing, still got a lot left to do on it. I got all the windows working again now, and we got tint, and we just need to match these vent windows here. They are not tinted 5%, they're only 20, so it doesn't look quite right. Might throw some on the windshield. The dash is cracked, original dash, radio doesn't work right, so a couple things on it, but drive it every day, no sweat, and we got a lot of other projects to work on, so y'all stay tuned. There's gonna be all kinds of good stuff going on out here in the garage. Love having my workspace now, and we're gonna get ourselves a big TV so we can watch Smokey and the Bandit on the big screen, but this is not half bad. I'm having a good night. This is nice little progress. And one of my favorite movies came on, so let's help the buddy out. Got the TV moved over where I could see it, and got this transmission cross member installed. Pretty stoked on how the new parts are looking in here. A lot of nice black shiny stuff. Also wanted to let y'all know we have air fresheners in the works. Been working on these for a long time. Leather air fresheners. In our Facebook group, we have a way for you to submit interior photos for a chance to win one of these and be on our website. So y'all be sure to submit your photos in the Facebook group. The final ones are going to have black lanyards instead of gold. We'll have mud grap ones as well as just Grappaholics by itself. So y'all be sure to check those out. Just to clarify, we are looking for quality photos to pick you to be on our website. So if you're chosen on the Facebook group, we will send out one of our air fresheners, the Trail, Mud, or Grappaholics by itself, so we can have some different pictures of different trucks with really quality stuff. So that's what the goal is there. It's not like a giveaway or anything. We don't have pictures for our website yet. I could put all of them in my Bronco, but it's got a cracked dash, and that's no fun. So y'all be sure to submit your best photos. Finishing up the movie with my chores, and man, look at the trucks on this scene. Old Broncos, Blazers. I was born at the wrong time, I swear.